This is a spark plug cleaning and testing equipment of Autonix Machines India Private Limited. Just have an introduction of its parts. This is input air filter, the cleaning chamber, the testing chamber, and air blast and sand blast switch. This is the testing switch, the pressure regulator and a pressure gauge and a mirror to view the color of spark. And these are the spares which are going to be used with this machine: the half kg cleaning sand, one spare testing adapter, and 3 types of cleaning rubber of different dia of M10, M12 and M14. This is its AC mains cords. We have to connect this AC mains cord with 220 volt AC supply and compressed air line with this input air filter. First of all, we have to pour sand in its cleaning chamber. Now this is the spark plug which is going to be cleaned and testing with this machine. This plug has to be fitted over cleaning chamber. First of all, we have to select the cleaning rubber of appropriate size with this spark plug. We have to clean this spark plug first. Then we have to make this sand or air blast switch over sand blasting. Rotate slowly, spark plug rotated slowly for 15 to 20 seconds only. After 15-20 seconds, put this sand or air blast switch over air blast to remove any sand particle from the spark plug. Now this spark plug is cleaned. Now we have to test it for proper running. Just select appropriate testing adapter of the spark plug and fit it over compression chamber. Now connect ignition coil clip over the spark plug, and now we have to check its sparking by pressing push to test spark switch. First of all, generate compression of 7.5 bar in this compression chamber with the help of this pressure regulator. Now press the testing switch and the spark will be visible in this mirror. This spark's color must be of blue in color for its healthy running in motorcycle. If the color of spark is yellow or red, the spark plug is not to be used with the motorcycle, and if the color of spark is yellow, then this spark plug can be used for 1 or 2 months only. Now after testing of this spark plug, before removing this spark plug, we have to depressurize the compression chamber with the help of this pressure regulator only. After removing pressure, now we can remove spark plug from this machine. This is a very good machine for a mechanic's workshop for cleaning and testing of spark plugs. The body of this machine is fully FRP body, and please go through the instructions before using this machine. Thank you.